Hi, I'm Linda with Tax TV, here with an introduction to minimum wage laws, which vary throughout the U.S. There is a federally mandated wage, but this does not prevent states, counties, and cities from imposing their own more advantageous wage laws. The first issue is determining whether the minimum wage laws apply. The Fair Labor Standards Act that imposes the federal minimum wage applies to businesses with employees who engage in interstate commerce and have revenue of not less than $500,000. The act also doesn't apply to hospitals, schools, federal, state, and local governmental agencies, among others. Certain other employees are federally exempt from minimum wage laws. Common exempt employees include commissioned salespersons, computer professionals, drivers, farm workers, executives, officers, and professionals. However, workers not subject to this federal standard may still be covered by the state, city, or other local laws. The next issue is determining the minimum wage. The federal minimum wage is $7.25 per hour. However, if workers receive a portion of their wages from tips, then they're only required to have their total compensation, including tips, meet the minimum wage. And under the federal law, it doesn't matter how often you pay the worker as long as total wages meet the minimum wage requirement. So, for example, an employee being paid $1,257 per month is federally okay. There are special federal rules for younger workers under the age of 20. Younger workers may be paid a minimum wage of $4.25 during their first 90 days if they don't displace other workers. After the first 90 days, the younger worker must be paid the normal minimum wage rate. Many states impose higher minimum wages than the federal requirement. In fact, 8 states raised their rates in 2012. Currently, Washington has the highest state rate of $9.04 per hour. These adjustments are typically a result of the cost of living adjustments written into their state laws. Cities may also implement minimum wage laws. In fact, San Francisco recently became the first major city with a minimum wage higher than $10. Because rates and requirements vary state to state and even by city, it's important to check with your city and state to learn the requirements that apply to your business. For more information about the employment tax requirements and minimum wage rates for each state, check out taxtv.com.